여러분, 안녕하세요. 조이예요. And welcome back to How to Say It in Korean. Today we'll learn how to say good morning in Korean. As with most Korean phrases, there are many different ways of saying it. So let's get to learning one of the most common ways, which is 좋은 아침이에요. Let's first practice the pronunciation of 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요 is made up of three words. The first, 좋은, is a form of the Korean adjective 좋다, which means good. The second, 아침, is a noun that means morning. And the last, 이에요, is a form of the Korean verb 이다, which means to be. Put them all together and you got it is a good morning, or simply good morning. You can use this phrase with anyone and it will be considered polite. There is a more informal way of saying this phrase. Just drop the 이에요 and say 좋은 아침. Now that you know how to say good morning in Korean, get out there and spread some sunshine to all the people around you. If you're interested in learning more Korean using a very fun and easy method, visit us at 90daykorean.com for more great Korean lessons. Thanks for watching. 좋은 아침이에요.